Hey CHEFIT sisters, today we are going to be creating tasty and nutritious meals for the entire family. My name is Jen, I'm a chef and registered dietitian, and today we are going to Shefit with CHEFIT, the ultimate sports bra. Hey CHEFIT sisters, today on Shefit, we are going to be making energy bites. So these energy bites are great to fuel up after those hard workouts. And we're gonna go through and talk about why these are some of my personal favorite ingredients. So to start off, we have some ground flaxseed. Flaxseed is great in omega-3 fatty acids, so great for all those heart healthy benefits. So we're gonna add that right to our bowl. Next, we have some honey. This is actually a local honey because a lot of times our honey is shipped from other countries and they use a lot of fillers. So try to stay as close to home as possible with your honey. So we're gonna put that right on top of our ground flaxseed. And next we're gonna move to our peanut butter. So peanut butter is our great protein for this. So very important for that muscle recovery after those long workouts. That protein actually helps to rebuild muscle because when we're in the gym lifting weights, our muscles actually start to break down a little bit. So what we want to do is really get in a good meal after our workout to start to rebuild everything. So next I'm going to add in just some rolled oats. And oats are great fiber and carbohydrates. Another really important thing for post-workout recovery is getting all those good carbohydrates to give our muscles energy to keep going. And last is my personal favorite thing. It's our 70% dark chocolate chips. So we always want to look for chocolate that's about 70% cocoa because that has the highest antioxidant properties. So not only is it good and heart healthy and full of antioxidants, but it's also chocolate, and who doesn't love that? So then what we do is we just mix this all together. So now that I mostly have it together, what I'm going to do is take my tray here. And then it's okay if it's not all completely together yet because it is really tough to incorporate. So I'm gonna use a little cookie scooper here, and it's a little over a tablespoon, I would say. And we're just gonna roll it in our hands, and that's gonna help pack it together even more. And they're very easy to take right with you to the gym too. But another good thing about this recipe too is it's great for the kids. So after school, say you need some energy bites for the house, get them involved, get them rolling these, and they're gonna love them too. And since we're not putting any refined sugars in it, it's gonna be a nice sweet treat, but it's really healthy. So now that we have all our energy bites rolled, we're gonna pop them in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes to set up and chill. These are such a great snack too to roll the night before or even prior to that because they'll hold up in the refrigerator for about a week. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna plate these up because I'm sure there are some hungry people around the corner waiting to get their hands on these. Thank you so much for joining us on Shefit today. I'm Jen, and these are just too good for me to not take a bite. We'll see you next time.